A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. When a time forgive, where you think about how much you gonna have left back after you done give, or you give as can to what God say you forgive. Make we think about it. And while you are think about it, if you want more people to hear God, I talk to them in the Jamaican language. No hold back. Just click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you don't click the subscribe button yet, now is a good time. So go on, click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. To make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on. Right here so. Today, me go read from the good news about Jesus as can to Mark chapter 12 from verse 41 to verse 44. Jesus go sit down cross from where the offering box did there and watch the crowd of people where they drop their money in the box. No for the rich people them put in a whole heap of money. Then he see one poor woman who her husband dead put in 2 little red money we hardly worth nothing, about 2 cents. Jesus calling follower them and said to them, say, me I tell you the truth. When you see that poor woman here, where her husband dead, she drop more in the offering box than all of them. Cause all of them give out of the whole heap where them have. Cause them rich. But she, even though she poor, she give everything where she have for live off of. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.